About this 39 Ford Rat. I love the spokes. Now there's a set of headers for you. Cool dipstick. You gotta really explore a lot to enjoy a Rat because the humor goes throughout. Now this is nice. It's got the Edmunds heads on it. That says a lot. 97 carburetors. Wow, the Strombergs, those are cool. We're not gonna notice. Oh, yes, yes, yes. You know, so hose going back. And of course they're practicing safe masking. I like that. Oh, this is beautiful. Actually, it's a very solid body, which is nice. Oh, look at those slicks. Let's take a look on the inside. You always have to check out the inside. I like the door pull. Who needs stinking floorboards in a Rat? Come on. Even the gauges welded in. Oh, this is so cool. Look at the way how that pod is tacked in. With the cheapo Grant steering. Great shifter. Nothing on the roof, which is unusual. Oh my gosh, look at this. Right through the floor. Ah! The upholstery in your tuchus. Only Rats, folks. Only Rats. That is so nice. That is cool. Let's get around these folks. I love it, folks. And what are you asking? Asking 18.5. Well, you want a Rat? Here it is.